Hey guys, John here. So in front of me, I have the Sequoia that Westcott Designs is working on. This is a 2023 Toyota Sequoia. So they've been mocking up everything on this one to get it ready for this render right here that they will be taking down to SEMA. So this truck has 37s on it, and look how much this Sequoia just eats it up. Holy smokes. So this one does have their pre-collar kit on it too. And so they've come up about 3 inches up front with their pre-collar kit. There's 17-inch Innovates on it, little protection ring around it. And we have the BF Goodwrench tires, KM3s, 37-inch tires. This one's not trimmed yet. This one is Toyota's. So they're basically mocking everything up on this. And then when they get theirs over here at Westcott Designs, they will be trimming it up to make sure that all the fitment is good. I'll leave Westcott Designs' video that they did of this truck, a full overview, down in the description for you guys, so you guys can check out all the details that Jeff talked about in that video. And then they got some stuff that they're working on up front. You guys can see the roof rack right here because they're gonna have a Go Fast camper, everything on top of that for SEMA. So they're mocking up their roof rack right here. We'll go over to the driver's side so you guys can see where it's mounting on this new Sequoia. All right, and getting up top. So we got the pano on this one. There was weather stripping up top on this. So they take off so you're gonna have to take off the weather stripping. And then these are the mounts right here. And is there a third one that you're gonna drill into? Okay. It's only gonna be the back two?
Ones, and then it's going to drop down in.
Okay.
The mounting bracket will be in there, and then so we don't have to.
Oh, okay. So no extra drilling. So these were the ones that Toyota uses as well. Gotcha.
So we'll utilize that.
Okay.
On all of the roof racks, that's what you use so that nobody's having some issues.
Gotcha. So we're going to use a factory roof rail placement, no extra drilling. It's going to have a nice pano on this one. Interested to see how that one turns out with the roof rack, but it looks really solid. We've got the dogs out because we're heading back to Florida. And then you can see Jeff and his ideas already getting the cutout there for the exhaust. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments section. A little sneak peek of this. Wanted to show you guys on our way back to Florida. Let me know. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. See you later.